Ako, si Roel Jimenez Villanueva, tinatanggap kita, Sunshine Rojas Gallego, sa pangalan ng Diyos ng pag-ibig at buhay upang maging asawa. Aangkinin, aalagaan, kukupin, simula sa oras at araw na ito.
This window, everything seems new. The world's not changing, it's just my view. Spent so much time looking for what I thought was right for me, but it's only when I gave up that I got what I really need. And I know it's true. You're the everything I was missing, the perfect part of me that I really need. All I know is new because I found you. Anticipation,
accept this name as a symbol of your humility and
when you never had someone to look forward to. I thought I knew who I was and who I wanted to be, but my mind just kept wandering, waiting to let me see. And I know it's true, and I know it's true. You're the everything I was missing, the perfect part of me that I really need. All I know is new because I found you. And all the things I thought I knew, everything I thought was true, changed the day my eyes saw you. They saw you.
And you got to be yourself, give you the chance to explore your world. And I'm promising our ability to grow, to become better by God's grace, to become better persons together with the help of God.
Yes.
And all that life may bring us, by God's grace, my love is will always be yours.